everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, let's make some super cool rainbow sneakers. Yes! All right, so start with some sneakers. Take the laces out. Save the laces for later. Or keep the laces out. Either is fine. And get some Sharpies. I got my Sharpies at Walmart. I got my sneakers at Walmart. And then we're going to get some markers. And they're going to be in the rainbow color. Roy G. Biv, remember that? So we do red, then we're going to do orange. Make the stripes as big or as, like as small, like narrow. I was trying to think of the word. Narrow, wide, whatever. Do them as big or as small as you want. I was a little bit generous in the different sizes that I did. I wasn't really careful, and that's okay because they're all going to blend later. Just color them in, and you'll see here how the way I chose to do these was to go straight across to do each of the colors. You don't have to do that. You could do one side and then do the other side, continuing the red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, violet. But however you need to make, you don't even have to do the colors of the rainbows, but I like to do that. The rainbow means so many different things for so many different people. I mean, for me, the rainbow means the sign of a promise, right? But it means so much to so many other people. And you know what? The fact of the matter is it brings joy, and I'm all about the joy. So whatever the rainbow means to you, these sneakers are so much fun. I also did the inside, the tongue part. I did that as well. You don't have to do that part, but I thought it just would look really cool if I did. So there you go. And again, I just went all the way, I did the tongue, and I tried to be as accurate as possible. You see how I kind of put my hand in there just so that it would make it a little bit straighter so we know where the line was all the way across. But I'm not being, the more dark you color it in, the more vibrant your colors are going to be. I will say that. So if you want it really vibrant, then, make sure that you're really coloring it in. If not, then go nice and light. Either way is fine. Again, I got my sneakers at Walmart, but I'm telling you right now, if you can find your size at Five Below or something like that, so much cheaper. Anyways, look at how cute. Now we're going to take some rubbing alcohol. And I'm using the little squirty top on mine. And I know you guys are going to cringe, but it's okay. Squirt that stuff. I saturated the shoes. I saturated it some. Now I saw this being done on TikTok, and she's so awesome. She used a brush, and I did not like that because it just smeared them, and I didn't like that. So I poured that alcohol all over, got it nice and saturated. I wiped off the white part, the sole part of my shoes, just because it had a lot of coloring that I didn't like, having that all in there. But this is what it looks like when it's drying. The longer you let it sit, the more the colors kind of blend together. Are you kidding me? Look at these. Oh, they're so... Listen, I don't care what you love about the rainbow. These shoes... All right, that's enough. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching. I hope this inspires you.